All right, y'all, it's recording. All right, y'all ready to sit down?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do some math today.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, everybody, I'm going to give y'all these dry erase boards that we've been working with
Okay.
and how we've been working on our touch points.
Uh,
And we're going to be talking about two words today. We're going to be talking about the word addition. And we're going to be talking close, and we're going to be talking about subtraction.
yeah.
So let me go ahead and guys give you the erasers. Alright, and then I'm going to give you a couple just to see if those markers work. Just go ahead and make a little squiggly line just to see if yours work.
No, they won't work. Okay. They will.
Alright, let's try it. There we go.
No, they won't work.
Cool.
Mine works. Yeah, they will. You stay. This one works.
It does?
Oh, they will.
Perfect.
Mine will.
Perfect. Okay. So what we're going to do, guys, and I know that you guys are very well behaved, so I don't have to ask you guys to go on good behavior, but just make sure that you raise your hand before you blurt out an answer. But we're going to review, okay? What does this sign mean right here?
T.
Curtis, thank you for raising your hand. Plus. And what if we see this sign, what do? Do we add something together or do we take away something?
We add up.
We go up, exactly. Good job. All right. Now, what about if I did this? This sign right here.
Take away.
Hold on.
Take away.
Curtis, thank you for raising your hand. Minus, exactly. And like you said, Harrison, but next time please raise your hand. We take it away. Exactly. Good job. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a review, okay? We are going to review just a couple of problems just to make sure that we understand. Hey, Colin, I need you to pay attention, okay? Thank you, buddy. All right. Now we're going to do this together as a class. I'm going to write here on the whiteboard 7 plus 3, okay? But we need to make sure that we see this plus sign right here, okay? So does everybody want to write that down on the whiteboard? 7 plus 3. And I'm going to give you guys a hint. Y'all can use your touch points if you'd like to.
I gotta tell you something.
Okay.
I don't like this.
You need another one?
I need
Okay. All right, you want to go ahead and write that for me, Harrison? Thank you. All right, guys, so 7 plus 3. Now, what are we going to do with our touch points?
add up.
We're going to add up, exactly. And the reason we're going to add up is because we have this sign right here, which means plus or addition. So we're going to add up, okay? So does anybody want to help me work the problem? Does anybody know the first step in this problem? Harrison?
7,
Okay.
8, 9,
10, exactly. Y'all see how Harrison did that? So what he did is he said 7, and then he visually saw his touch points, and he said 8, 9, 10. Perfect. All right, so we have that answer right here. All right, guys. Now what if I'm going to write this problem right here? Let me erase this right here. But what if I do this one now? Do y'all see the difference?
But it's not going to be the same answer.
Exactly.
Because it's the time.
Right, exactly.
Can I do that?
You can definitely do that. Let's try it as a class. Colin, if you wouldn't mind writing for me what we have on the board here. You have 7 plus 3, but I changed that sign right there.
Let me show you.
To 7 minus 3.
7. It took a day of 7, 6, 5, 4. 4. I got 10.
You got 10? Well, I think you were looking at the addition problem that we just did. So what we did right here is we did 7, and then we saw our touch points exactly 6,
5, 4.
5, 4. Exactly. So we got our answer of 4.
I got mine too. 4. I got 4 too.
And you are exactly right, Colin. Good job. Good job, Curtis, and good job, Harrison. All right, let's try another one with subtraction, okay?
Okay. Wait. What, not 4? The first? Wait. A goalie.
All right.
A goalie is a football goalie. Why?
All right, guys, pay attention for me, okay? Yes, Harrison. Thank you for raising your hand. Y'all see how Harrison raised his hand?
The first thing you have to do is just look at the sign.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So Harrison made a good point. He said the first thing that we should do in a problem is we should look at the signs, and that's definitely correct. I think that's the most important part in identifying the first step that we have to do. We need to look at the sign. So we know right here that it is 9, take away 5. Okay? So I want everybody, you guys are doing awesome. Thank you. And then say it to yourself. Let's not say it out loud this time. Let's just say it to ourselves.
8. 4 again.
Okay? Okay. All right, and then what's our next? Hey guys, what's our next step right here? Colin, I need you to pay attention to this whiteboard, all right, buddy? I want to give you a good report from Miss Ellison. Okay, so 9 minus 5. Okay, Colin? You remember the touch points that we've been working on? Can anybody help him with the touch points for the 5? Harrison, do you want to?
Yes.
You want to show him the touch points?
Okay. No, it's not. He got his 5 backwards.
Yeah, you do that. Look at my 5.
The first thing you have to do is look at the sign and remember that. Now, did I say 9?
It's all right. Hold on. We'll work on that. Y'all remember the touch point?
7, 6, 5.
All right, y'all. Let's look at a touch point.
I know where our touch points are.
All right. I'm gonna have Curtis show us where the touch points are. Okay. And then after this, y'all, we are going to do something new with addition and subtraction that I'm going to teach y'all today. All right. So you want to go ahead and show us? Okay. 1, 2. Colin, I need you to pay attention, buddy. 3, 4, 5. All right, Colin. You see those touch points that Curtis just drew out for us? Thank you, Curtis. Do you mind doing that on your board? Because that's going to help us find the answer.
And not the 5.
I'll put it down right here for you so you can see exactly how I did
You
it.
put an arrow right there.
Yeah, that's even a better idea. There we go.
Does it see you?
Yes.
What's the word? No. I don't see you.
I'm
Let me
sorry?
show you. What's the word? Listen. Back, down, down.
Perfect. Good job, Curtis. Where's the what? The lid? It's right here. Can I have you sit down for me, Harrison? though?
Yeah, keep it used the teacher.
I'm going to need that back in 1 second. All right, Colin. So what do we do right here? We do our touch points, right?
But
Exactly. But what are we doing? Are we going up or are we going down?
down.
We're going down because of subtraction. Exactly. All right. So go ahead and then count down for me. So we got 9,
4,
8.
8.
Uh-huh.
2.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What comes after 5? We're counting backwards. Exactly. So go ahead and put that 4 down for me. So put that 4 in the answer.
It's so cool.
All right, guys. That's a 5 that you wrote down. Let's go ahead and do 4. Remember how our 4s look?
Yes.
Colin, I need you to pay attention, buddy.
Definitely.
Looks like an H.
It can go for it. You know what it looks like? When I draw a 4, it makes me think of a football goal.
It does, the up post, that's right. Alright, so we got 4. Alright guys, hey listen, Colin. I don't want to put you a clip down, okay? But I need y'all to raise your hand, just like Harrison's doing right now. Harrison, you have a question?
We're gonna do more math.
We're doing more math. I'm about to teach you guys some more math problems, okay? This time I'm actually teaching you guys 2 digits, okay? So what we're
I
gonna
know
do,
2 digits.
you know 2 digits?
I
Alright.
know 3 digits.
Well, everybody might not know 2 digits, so we're gonna do 2 digits today, okay? So I need y'all to pay attention for me as I teach y'all this. Alright, so look at this problem that I have right here. I'm gonna have 21
1
plus 13. Alright? And the thing that we just reviewed, and y'all have told me so far today, that this sign means what? Am I going up with this sign or am I going down with this sign? I'm going up with this sign. Exactly. Alright.
But there's one more thing you have to do.
There is. And I'm going to show you guys. Right. Alright, so let me show it to you guys first, and then I will let y'all practice, okay? So here y'all see, and I need y'all to pay attention real quick. Maybe I should take the whiteboards away. I just need you to pay attention real quick. I think it was a bird that just hit our window. Alright.
Is it there?
No, I think it flew away. Alright, guys. So here's what we're doing, right? If I have 21, and then this sign right here is plus 13, I know that I'm going to have to go up because I see this plus sign right here. Now I'm going to draw a line, and I am going to write on top, just for my purposes, the tens column and the ones column. Okay? So here we have, and I'm going to go to the ones column first because we always start with the ones column no matter what. I know that 1 plus 3 is 4. Exactly. And then I'm going to come over here to the tens column, and I'm going to say 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to get an answer of 34. Okay?
How do you do that?
And I'm showing you guys. And we'll work on it more when we work at it together as a class. And I'm going to show you guys this first, and then we'll work on it as a class.
I don't know how you do it that fast.
That fast? It just takes a lot of practice. All right, but let's pay attention. So what about if I have this one? 15 plus 16. And again, if I have plus, I'm going up. Remember? All right, so I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the other problem. I'm going to draw a line through it. And I'm going to write tens
And 5.
and ones. No, because this is my tens column and this is my ones column, okay? And again, I start at the ones column. All right, here I have this problem right here. It is 5 plus 6, okay? So if it's something like this, if it's 5 plus 6,
I know that answer. 11.
okay, well good job. We have 11, okay? But do I put it like this? Do I write 11 down like that?
No.
I don't write 11 down like that, do I? As a matter of fact, here's what I do. I put my 1 down right here, just like we do in the ones column. And then I put my 1 from the 11 right here in our tens column. So now I have 1 plus 1, this is 2, and then plus 1 more
Equals 11.
is 3. Yeah, that's right. No, it was 11 on this side. But you see what I did? I put my 1 down right here from the ones column, and then I carried that. I kicked their neighbor out and I put them on the roof. So I put a 1 right here. And now that becomes 31. Does everybody see how I got that?
Yes.
And then we'll work on some more as we work on
Yes,
as a group. All right.
You
Now-
make it your
Now there's another one I want you to teach you guys, okay?
Can we do 3 digits?
This one is going to be 36 minus
32.
24. Okay? Same thing. But what's different? Do y'all notice anything that's different? Do you mind blowing your nose for me real quick, buddy? Thank you.
On the line.
Exactly. Like Harrison said, we'll wait on Harrison, but I'm going to draw this line through it. And I'm going to put my tens column and then my ones column. Thank you, Harrison. I appreciate it, buddy.
Easy, I know that.
All right. Yeah, go ahead and wash your hands for me, buddy. And we got just a little bit longer, so this is going to be.
I know that in a second. That's 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
All right. Well, let's wait for Harrison. Thank you, Harrison. Okay, guys. Like Harrison said before he went to go blow his nose, he said that the sign is different. This sign right here is different. What was this sign called again?
Take away minus.
A minus sign. Take away, minus, subtraction, whatever you like to call it, it's all the same thing. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I know that I have to take away 4 from 6, so I go down. Okay? So if I say 6 from 4, I can do my touch points. And I can say 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So I'm going to put my 2 right here in the ones column. And the same thing over in our tens column, everybody. So if I have 3 right here,
3,
I'm going to put my touch point right here, and I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. Exactly.
21.
Y'all are getting the hang of it. 21? Let's look at it.
12.
12. Good job. All right. Harrison, you have a question?
I was
Okay. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 problems as a class, okay?
Can I do 3 digits?
No, we're going to do 2 digits, okay?
No, they're right.
That one's yours? All right. Then we'll switch. Okay. All right. All right, boys. All right. So here's what we're going to do, okay? We're going to do this together as a class. I'm going to write down 47. Okay, guys. Hey, I need everybody to pay attention, okay? We're going to use these whiteboards because they're going to help us, but I don't want them to be a distraction. So 47 minus 26, okay? All right, Harrison, what is our first step in this problem?
Well, you have to draw a line.
Okay, great. Harrison says draw a line. I'm going to stop you right there, Harrison, and I'm going to ask Curtis what the next step is in our problem. Harrison just said that we have to draw a line. What do I have to realize about this? It's a minus sign. Man, good job.
Oh no, what's that?
And Harrison, good job as well. Hey, Colin, I need you to sit down, okay? I need you to be quiet, because we're doing a lesson right now, okay? I don't want to have to pull a clip from you, but I will, okay? You got me? Cool, buddy, thank you. All right, guys, so 4 minus 2, excuse me, so if I'm looking at it right here, let me ask you this, Colin, what am I going to do? And remember how we were talking about our tens column and our ones column. On this side only, what am I going to do? I'm going to take away. Does anybody know what I'm going to take away? Harrison.
You have to take away the.
It's hard to explain.
I don't really know.
Yeah, it's okay. Curtis.
You have to take away the 6.
Exactly. We have to take away the 6. We got to take away that bottom number right there, okay? So can everybody put their touch points on their 6 for me?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Colin.
What's a flower?
There we go. Good job. Good job. All right, everybody. So with our touch points then that y'all just did, let's count it out as a class, okay? So we have 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. All right. So we got 1. Perfect. All right. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look at this one in our tens column. It looks like I'm going to take away 2 from 4, as in 4 minus 2. All right, guys. Can everybody write their touch points on the 2, on the number 2 for me? Good job, Colin. Good job, Curtis. And good job, Harrison. Perfect score right now. All right, so what do we know? 4 minus 2. Let's do it together as a class. 4.
5.
No. Remember, guys, we're taking away. We're taking away.
3, 2.
Good job.
Oh, 2.
So we got the answer
21.
of 21. Exactly. Perfect. Do what? Yep, no, that's right. That's right. Good job. All right, guys. Here's what I'm going to have y'all do. Because we only have very little time left. We're going to have to probably pick up on this tomorrow. But I'm going to give you guys a problem. We have about 3 minutes left.
Okay.
I am going to give you guys a problem, okay? I'm not going to be able to give you guys the worksheets that I have today. But I want to go ahead and write one problem down on the board that I want y'all to do independently. That means by yourself, okay?
Can I do 3-digit numbers?
I need you to focus on 2-digit today, but tomorrow we'll do 3-digit if you really want to, okay? So by yourself, that means don't shout out the answer, okay?
Just raise your hand.
Just raise your hand when you're done, okay?
Okay.
And this is what I want y'all to do.
Okay. 2, 4, 8.
Sorry, Harrison, I forgot to show you. Use your touch points if that helps. Colin, eyes on the board, buddy. That was right. That was right. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, so Colin, eyes on the board. So again, taking away 1 from 2.
2.
Minus 1. You can use your touch points. Look again. Good job. All right. Now flip your board over. All right. All right, everybody flip their boards over. Let's see what we got. Right here. Boom. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ow.
I was in your homework.
All right, guys.
I
Hey,
did your homework.
y'all did awesome today. I did
Erase
not.
it.
Huh?
Erase it.
Yeah, we're gonna erase it, and I'm gonna send you guys back to class because it's time to go.
I don't make it.
But here's what we're gonna do tomorrow, okay? Because I'm gonna be teaching tomorrow as well. And I might have this video camera again. But what we're gonna do is we are going to do some worksheets, okay? I brought those in today, but I didn't know that we would run out of time. But you guys did awesome with the examples that I've showed you guys. But I want y'all to remember that if we add, we go up. And if we subtract, we go
Down.
down. Exactly. So if I'm gonna write on this right here, what is this? What am I gonna do?
Plus.
Okay? And what am I doing?
You can count up.
I'm going up. What about this one?
Take away.
take away,
Take away.
and you go down. Exactly. You guys did awesome today. Y'all did great. And we'll go to work on those worksheets tomorrow.
Around the markers.
And Miss Ellison and I will make sure that y'all understand these problems. So, thank you guys. All right, does anybody want to help me put up the whiteboards?
Bye bye.